Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday, my favorite day of the week. So this past week I went to one thrift store. I went with my sister and I found some great stuff to share with you. So I'm excited to get started. I apologize for my mess back here. I am in the middle of a painting project and I have nowhere else to put it. And then I've got a little Zoe sitting over here because she is been ejected from her bedroom because we are actually working on her bedroom, giving it a little makeover. So pretty much her whole room is in my living room right now. So we're just gonna ignore all that and get into this haul. So let's get started. Alright, so this week I had some really good luck on some rather unique things and I'm very excited about it. So the first thing is sort of humdrum, not very exciting, but I was excited because I was all out of these and I've been doing a few little painting projects and they would have been really nice about 3 days ago. And it was a little grab bag filled with Popsicle Sticks for $1.50. I love to have a handful of these sitting down within arm's reach at my craft area because I use these little guys as little stir sticks for like pots of paint, like chalk paint and that sort of thing, or like my small pots of paint. I use them to mix up colors, that sort of thing. And I was completely out, and I've been out for months. And I haven't gotten to the store to buy any. Or every time I go to Michael's, I forget to buy them. So I don't know how many are in here, but there's a good amount in here. And for $1.50, I thought that was a really good deal. And so very helpful. Alright, so the next thing I found was $4.99, and it is another vintage sheet. Now this one, I absolutely love the pattern on it. It's very bright and amazing. Look at that. Don't you just love it? White background, just like I love. Got these beautiful pops of red, green, and it's also got like blue in it. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to use this. I do not know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know if I'm going to make like pillow covers. I don't know what to do with it. I would really like to make a throw blanket out of it and then use the colors out of it to like make like pillow covers and stuff like that for my living room for the summer because these are great colors. I think this would even work like if I wanted to throw in a little bit of you know, 4th of July decor with it because the colors are just so perfect. So this is a double size, so I don't know, I gotta think on this a little bit longer to see what I'm actually gonna do with it, but I just loved it. I thought the print was so amazing. I love floral prints, but this vibrant color, oh, it's just so awesome. So I was very excited about that. This next thing, I don't know why I picked this up, but I loved it when I saw it. And I was like, you know what, this would be kind of fun as like a wall hanging. So it was $1.99 and it is one of these big, huge like calendar things. Do you remember these back in the day? I think my mom used to have one like this, like hanging in the wall in the kitchen. It was much smaller than this, but it was always like printed on these fabrics and they would hang it up on the wall. I don't know, it just seems very retro. Now this one to me, this one's not very retro. It's 2015, but sorry you can't really see it very well. But what really sold me on it was I like the birds on it. And it has like teal birds and red birds. And I just thought it was so pretty. So I'm going to try to do a little DIY with this. And so I can hang it on the wall in my kitchen, I think. I mean, that's what I bought it for. But you know, I had one very similar to this was actually a vintage one. And darned if I can find it. I have been looking high and low for it because I would rather use my vintage one than this one. I could use something, do something else with this. I actually think this would be a really fun thing to like make a pillow cover out of. You could get like 2 of them out of it. It's pretty big. I don't know, I just think it's kind of cute. Something different and a different way to use it. I think that would be a good way to do it. So anyways, I picked that up for $1.99 and I just love it. Because I think in summer I'm going to do like a red and teal look in my kitchen, but I'm not real sure. I've found a few things that will work for that. So that is my plan. So that will work perfectly. Alright, so the next thing I picked up was just a basic pillow. It was $2.99, and it's just a basic red pillow. How perfect for my house. I love red, and this is like the perfect red. It's not too orangey red, it's not too pale, like faded red. So this is like absolutely perfect. It feels like it's got like a down insert, which is awesome. It does have a zipper so I can take it out and wash the cover. And I just thought this was a nice size and something that would probably get a lot of use in my house just because of the color, if that makes sense. The color of the cover. So yeah, it's perfect. It has like a linen feel to it, and it seems rather thick. So I just thought this was a good steal, a good basic thing to have for my home. And for $3, I thought that was a good steal. Alright, so then I picked up some dishes. Of course I had to look through the dishes, and I always find a few I like, of course. This first one, I'm trying to read the bottom of it. It's like upside down. Cleveland, Ohio, USA. And it says Napco? Napco. Anyways, it was $3.99, and it is this right here. It's like a milk glass piece, and I thought it was very pretty. I love the scalloped edge on the top, and then it's got the diamond pattern on it. Hopefully you can see that. Probably not. It's probably like fading out, getting washed out. But anyways, I just thought this was cute. I really liked the size of it. Normally when I find pieces like this, they're really tall, but I actually prefer the little small ones. So I looked high and low to see if there was a matching one, but there wasn't, because that would have been awesome. But one is better than none, so of course I picked it up. And it seems like it's in very good condition. There isn't any chips or anything on it, so I'm super excited about that. I do not have anything like that in my milk glass collection, so that'll be awesome to add to it. I can't wait to put a little plant in it and put it in like my windowsill. That is what I'm hoping to do. I think that would look adorable. A little topiary or something like that. That would look really cute. So anyways. Alright, so moving on. I got two more things. And this next thing is so amazing. I'm so excited. Now, if you remember last week's haul, I found this cute little creamer that had teal on it and it had like the little starburst stars on it, and I absolutely loved it. And one of you mentioned that I should go back the next week and look to see if they had the creamer, because some of your stores don't put sets out at the same time. I've never found that to be the case in my thrift store, but you were right. I went back and I found this sugar bowl. I'm so excited. It was $2.99 and it matches perfectly. Oh, can you see that? I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It like matches my shirt today. It's got the teal feather on it, and it's got the starburst on it. Now, a few of you have mentioned that you think it's called the atomic pattern. I can't remember. There's a couple different names that were thrown out, and I've looked it up on Etsy, and I can't get a clear, concise. It's called different things in different places. So anyways, I don't really care so much what it's called, but I think this is just awesome. And once again, it's got the really cool handles, and even has a little handle on top. It looks so adorable. And then of course the fabulous print on it. I could not be happier with this piece. I just think it is absolutely adorable, and I love it so much. So I cannot wait to display this in my kitchen. And of course it's got that little teal on it, so that'll work nice. I'm getting more and more teal. I used to like not like teal at all. I mean, not that I didn't like it, but I just didn't have anything teal. And now all of a sudden, I'm like behind the boat in the teal department. Like teal has been popular for so long, and I've just never been drawn to it. And all of a sudden, this is the year that I'm being drawn to it, I guess. Anyways, alright, so this last piece just makes me smile, and I'm so excited to use it. It just makes me laugh. It's hilarious to me. But anyways, you all know how much I love dogs. We have two little puppies here. You all love them so much. Of course, today they're not running around. They are exhausted because the girls have been home from school. But anyways, I'm rambling. I bought this piece for $4.99 and I almost didn't pick it up, but then I'm like, you know what? I will never ever find something like that again. So of course I had to pick it up. And it is this right here. Oh, don't you just love it? It is a little Dachshund Planter. And I think I said it was $4.99. And look at this. He's got a little pink nose. And I just think he is just so adorable. This is a Valentine's Day, it just says on the bottom, hand wash. I think this might have been like something from Target or something like that, or like Marshalls or something. I don't know, but I just think it is absolutely adorable. I cannot wait. I want to put like some little faux grass in the back of it and use it in my kitchen. It just makes me smile. I love it so much. So anyways, I love Dachshunds. My grandparents had Dachshunds, and our first dog that we had when I was married was a Dachshund mix. I just think they're so adorable. So I think he's so cute. Look at him. Oh my goodness. He's a little scuffed up. He's got some marks on him. But you know what? I don't care. He makes me smile, so I brought him home. Alright, so that is it for me today. Not a big haul, but I feel like I had a decent amount of stuff. This seems like it went really fast today. I must be talking really super fast because I feel rushed today, because I feel like the kids are going to like converge on me at any moment, so I need to quick get through this. So anyways, normally I don't like to film when the kids are home, but necessity calls. But anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me today and checking out what I picked up at the thrift stores. And of course, let me know down in the comments what you found this past week when you went out treasure hunting. I would love to know all about it so we can chat about it and have some fun there. And yes, so thanks for stopping by, and I guess I will see you again next week for another Thrift Store Thursday. Bye now.